Assalamualaikum. Now I learn do you prefer. For example, do you prefer tea or coffee? Do you prefer orange or apple? Do you prefer milk or juice? Do you prefer book or newspaper? I learned for excuse me. Excuse me first the nearest post office. Excuse me first the nearest hospital. Excuse me first the nearest bookshop. Excuse me first the nearest flower shop. Ask question to my friend. For example, hello Mantasha, what is your father name? Hello Mantasha, what is your mother name? Hello Noor, what is your father do? Hello Noor, what is your mother do?